Okay, drone fans, buckle up, because the first real images of the Avata 360 have finally leaked, and let me tell you, the hype is real. So, what's the Avata 360 actually like? The leaked images confirm most of what insiders predicted. Its design feels familiar yet futuristic. The drone is about the same size as the Avata 2, but with 4-blade propellers and a slightly flatter, more compact frame. Definitely Neo 2 inspired. The Fly More combo? Stylish. Accessories match the controller color, because why not make your gear Instagram ready? There's a charging hub that holds 3 batteries with sleek rounded edges, a camera protector, and the controller is the new RC2, compatible with DJI's 04 transmission tech. Manuals are included, which is a small but appreciated touch. Flight-wise, the Avata 360 is versatile. The FPV mode keeps the front lens active with a wide field of view, while the rear lens stays inactive. Camera protection is solid, mirroring Neo 2's design with advanced propeller guards to keep lenses safe. There's stabilized FPV mode for smooth flights, manual FPV mode for daring pilots, and a full 360-degree mode, where the gimbal positions 2 spherical lenses up and down, each capturing 180 degrees in 4K. The AI stitches it into 8K footage, so your cinematic ambitions just went next level. Panoramic shots can hit 120 megapixel photos and 8K video at 50 frames per second. FPV mode alone shoots 5K at 60 frames per second. Yes, it's a lot. Pricing? Well, the Chinese market leak gives us a solid idea. Basic drone plus 1 battery, approximately 2,988 yuan, approximately $450, previously $500 estimate. Drone plus RC2 controller plus 1 battery, approximately 3,988 yuan, approximately $600, global approximately $700. Fly More combo, RC2 plus 3 batteries plus charging hub plus bag, 5,688 yuan, approximately $800, global approximately $1,000. FPV combo, goggles N3 plus motion controller plus 3 batteries plus hub plus bag, also approximately 5,688 yuan, approximately $1,000 globally. It even supports gesture controls, voice commands, Wi-Fi control, and maybe Apple Watch control, because apparently drones need to be that smart. On performance, the Avata 360 is expected to use DJI 04 Plox transmission with an approximately 20-kilometer range, ultra-low latency, and stability for high-speed FPV flying. Battery life is estimated at 25 minutes, slightly better than the Avata 2's 23 minutes, and weight is around 400 grams. Storage jumps to 128 gigabytes, expandable via SD card. But a word of caution, editing 8K 360-degree footage is no joke. You'll need experience, a high-powered computer, and plenty of patience. All in all, the DJI Avata 360 could be DJI's most innovative drone yet. It blends immersive 360-degree capture with autonomous and FPV flying, offering possibilities that pros and enthusiasts have been dreaming about. For anyone serious about FPV, 360-degree content, or just showing off on social media, this drone looks like it might be worth every penny. Anti-gravity A1 or DJI Avata 360. Every once in a while, a product drops that instantly hijacks your social feed. Not because it's overhyped, but because your brain can't process what it's seeing. That's exactly what happened with the anti-gravity one. The moment people saw its footage, the reaction was the same everywhere. Wait, how is this even possible? And for the first time in years, the most talked about drone on the internet isn't coming from DJI. The One is the world's first flying camera built entirely around an 8K 360-degree capture system, and that single design choice changes everything. Instead of flying a drone and worrying about framing, angles, or the direction the camera is facing, the One lets you forget all of that. You just fly. The drone captures everything around it, and later, during editing, you simply pick the angle you want. Forward, backward, downward, sideways, even toward yourself. No more missed moments because you tilted the camera wrong. This freedom is why so many creators call the One a cheat code. A new category that feels shockingly free. What makes the One exciting isn't just its specs, although 8K 360 footage with multiple export formats is undeniably impressive. Its real appeal is emotional. Pilots describe the feeling as liberating, like exploring rather than operating a machine. Beginners love that the drone corrects itself and stays incredibly stable, while FPV pilots are baffled that the One can deliver FPV-style visuals without requiring FPV skills at all. Even travel vloggers are obsessed because a single flight gives them both horizontal and vertical shots, perfectly framed in editing. Online reactions show genuine surprise that such a tiny drone can create footage that feels so fresh and so different. It's almost like the industry has stumbled into a new era where presence matters more than piloting precision. The One isn't replacing traditional drones. It simply opens a door to a completely new way of capturing memories, adventures, and unpredictable moments like cycling, pets, or fast-moving action. DJI is watching and getting ready to strike back. Of course, once something goes viral, DJI notices. Leaks already confirmed that the DJI Avata 360 is on the way, which tells you everything you need to know about how serious this new category is becoming. Interestingly, the two drones seem to come from opposite philosophies. The One is essentially a 360 camera that happens to fly. The Avata 360 appears to be an FPV drone that adds 360 capability. That difference alone means the One will feel calmer, smoother, and more automatic, while DJI's version will likely be faster and more manual. The One also has clever design touches, like retractable landing gear that keeps the camera's full 360-degree view unobstructed in the air. But it's not perfect. Battery life is average, especially compared to DJI's mini lineup, and 8K 360 footage demands heavy processing that requires a powerful computer. Stitching can produce minor imperfections on water, trees, or close objects. People who want flawless, cinematic, shallow depth of field shots straight out of the camera will still prefer DJI. A generational shift in drone filmmaking. Still, it's hard to deny that the One feels like the beginning of something big, a generational shift toward drones that prioritize creativity over control. For creators who want freedom instead of settings, travelers who want all angles, and beginners who just want amazing footage without stress, the One is almost unbeatable. And now, with DJI preparing its answer, the competition is about to get very real. If the Avata 360 can match the One's freedom while delivering DJI's legendary stability, the entire drone landscape could transform faster than anyone expected. For now, though, the anti-gravity One stands as the most exciting drone release in years, a flying camera that challenges everything we thought drones were supposed to be. If you love creative freedom, zero stress, and choosing your angles after the flight, the One is already the perfect fit. But if you prefer speed, control, and classic FPV energy, waiting for the Avata 360 might be smarter. Two different visions. One choice depends entirely on your style.